Hi there, I'm going to show you a couple of easy options on how to pin your fabric in place. Here we go, we have our two fabrics and I'm showing you on a piece of fabric that has a right side and a wrong side. The right side is always the printed side. They either call it the right side or the pretty side, and you're going to put the two right sides facing down, and this is what's going to create your seam here. So let's say this is a bigger piece, like I wouldn't necessarily pin something like this, but pretend it's a bigger piece. Now I am going to pin my pins vertically along this piece of fabric. Now I'm only going to need 2 pins, so as you're pushing this through your sewing machine, you will be able to put it into your sewing machine, take the pin out, have it travel along and take the pin out. So it's easy to take the pins out when they are vertically, and also it's much easier to pin on a vertical when you're attaching a zipper, and I'll show you in a second. So let's say I'm placing a zipper, so I'm going to press it there, and I'm going to press this face down, and I'm going to put my pins in vertically. Like so, and then my zipper isn't going to move about on me, and I'm just going to place another one at the bottom here. Just make sure you line everybody up to the raw edges, and then you're going to put your pin in vertically like so, because you only have a little slip, like a little bit here, so it's vertically up to attach your zippers. Not going across, it's going to make your life a bit more difficult. Go it vertically up. Now let's show you the second way to pin something. So let's get our fabrics right side together like so, and we're now going to go horizontal, but we're going to go away from the actual raw edge. So I'm going to grab a pin and I'm going to go horizontally across here, so you've got the head facing this way. So I am going to place a pin, place a pin. Now have you seen how this one's a bit more secure for this like small piece, like a quilt piece that I'm doing? So if you wanted to be really particular, this is not going to move on you. So like so, you're going horizontal, so as it's going through the machine, you can take your pins out as you go. So let's just demonstrate this on the machine. So here we can see we got the vertical pins and they're going straight up. So as it's feeding through the machine, I'm going to have to take this one out because it's far too close to the foot. But as it's just going through the machine, you're ready to take this next pin out, and it's not facing the other way, it's facing towards you, so you can literally just take it out and you can sew that seam right up very easily. So if your pins are facing the other way and you get quite close to that foot, it's just awkward, hey? Like to have to keep going to the back there and take that pin out. So just have the pins facing towards you like so. So you can just grab them. Now I have my pins facing horizontal, and the pin head is facing on the outside of the seam where we're sewing. So as we come to take them out, it's easy just to pull them out like so, and then I can just pull this out. If they were faced on the other side like so, I'm just going to put them in, and you just sew in. It's just a little bit more awkward. I think I do prefer it all on this side. So let me know how you place your pins into your fabric in the comments down below. I hope this video has resolved some of your questions about how to pin your fabric, and don't forget I upload videos every single Wednesday on how to use your sewing machine and simple sewing tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.